Ah, home again. What's our task today for Ogden? I'm working on a new recipe. Help me out. Ah. We got our mint mangoes. Perfect. Now we just need 5 heartbeats and 2 hot onions. Got it. 2 hot onions and... Dang it, he ate 1. Any more heartbeats around by chance, guys? No? Aha! Just enough. And now my curiosity's peaked. Oh boy. It had to be pink rads. Oh yeah, we're here. There we go. Oh. I might need that actually. And up here is a blue pod. Noted. And around the corner was just these cute little slimies. Ow. And feisty. God dang. Oh. Ah. Don't worry, we got one more key. No worries, guys. In fact, why don't I head there now? There's a portal on the way home back there too, so let's just head there real quick. Alright, let's jump down real quick. Open this door. And see that I need 5 quantum slimes in order to open this portal. Right. The ruins used to be some kind of warp station used by whoever created it to connect to one of the most distant corners of the far, far range. Be careful, Beatrix. Once you cross over, you'll be in truly untamed country. Though beautiful, the other side can be an unforgiving place. Note. Noted. Sorry. Alright, let's head home. And we're back. With how much time? Wow, 24 minutes. I did not need to worry at all. Oh, he sent us mail. How nice of him. Let's put that there and this there for a minute. And clean this up. And of course, they all went down in price. Screw that system. And of course, I got another call. Hold on. Now for this area. God dang, I hate when that happens. Perfect. Because I know the crystal phosphorus slimes, or largos, are the favorite of Hot Onion. And these guys are still okas. Which needs a little cleaning, actually. That's better. Oh yeah, you guys are fruit and me. Actually, wait. Tabbies are stony heads. Probably are Q-berries. So I need to grow these somewhere. This will be for the Q-berries. Perfect. Whoa. They were busy. And so is this tree. Now you guys are set on phase lemons. There is no reason for you guys to complain. Man, we're making the money. Might as well. Who knows? Maybe buying that will finally give me an upgrade on something else. And you guys need fruit soon. You guys are okay as long as I get some onions later. And I can't forget about the puddle plorts either. And these guys. Ooh, gosh. Almost jumped off there. Oh. Cool. Thanks, guys. Let's go to this one. I could use that for the rock crystal largos. Because I also know that they like heartbeats. Is there any largos I'm forgetting? Yes, there is. I forgot the boom one right there. Thora! What would you like? Help me out here and I'll make sure you get what's owed. 4 mint, 1 honey. Easy. Done. Literally the easiest task. Alright, let's see. Oh, 2? Oh, and Africa. That's another new one too. Visit Ogden's retreat? Has offered you a job? No way. What? Hiya, Beatrix. Thanks for coming down to my retreat and hearing me out on my offer. So let's get right down to business. I built this place years ago as a little vacation spot for myself. Later on, I realized that its neighbors a cluster of islands filled with primitive Saber Slimes. I called these islands the Wilds, and after exploring them, they revealed their true secret, the rare kookaburra fruit. What's a kookaburra fruit? Why, it's only the most delectable, irresistible fruit in the known universe. Well, most people say it tastes like rotten cheese, but they're wrong. Anyways, I soon became obsessed with kookaburras, but I found myself quickly becoming too old and slow to deal with the risk. You see, the wilds are home to hordes of feral slimes. These descendants of ancient Saber Slimes that once haunted these lands. Collecting kookaburras is dangerous. And that's where you come in. I'll happily reward you for collecting those sweet, sweet kookaburras for me. Just deposit them into the custom range exchange here, and we're in business. Collect enough of them for me, and I'll start by giving you a secret miracle mix for your gardens. I'll also reward you with a block of my special spicy tofu for every 3 kookaburras. Sorry. I've activated the teleporter to the wilds here at the retreat, and it's now yours to explore as you see fit. Just know that the warp network here is a little buggy. You won't always arrive at the same place, and you'll have to find a working teleporter to make your way back. It's buggy, I know. Just be prepared. Wow. Okay. Can I unlock this area too? Unknown again. Dang. Alright, let's check it out. The Wilds. Is this it? Kookaburra. What a weird fruit. I think it's a fruit. Oh. Wait, did they see me? I was gonna say, did they see me already? Oh. They're all sabers. Sheesh. this thingy? Nope. I gotta watch out. I don't want him getting me. What is this thing anyway? I guess I won't know until I find out later. But first, let's sneak around these guys. And you already see me. Oh! Dang, I don't need meat. I only have carrots. Oh, those are dead. It's all mine. Jesus. Oh, I hate to say it, but that scared me. There. Oh, good. Ah. Saber Slime, or at least it's the descendant. Favorite unknown. Is there any small ones here I can collect to take home? I sure would like that. And now I'm scared. Oh, they'll eat meat. Dang it. I don't have any. Yeah, there's so many of you. Nope, that didn't do anything either. Oh, they probably take out a lot of health. I got 11. 11 will do, I hope. Oh. Some respawn. That's good to know. Crap, they'll eat meat. Oh, I can't go back the way I came. Right, so I have to find another way out of here. Noted. Oh no. Yeah, I don't have any meats. Except for this guy. Thank you, my friend. Eh. Yikes. I gotta think, where would another portal be? Thank God I cheated that. Oh, I need these. Okay, just calm down. Go slow. And don't rush. If only there was a map here. It's been so much easier. Let's see, where else could it be? Oh! No way. What is it? Come on. Breed elastic. Visit the ranch house to manage secret styles. Cool. There you go. Don't know what happened to the other guy, unless he jumped off. Like a... No, I was trying to save him. So there is a chance there's mini ones around here, just... Or is it just one I cannot combine with? That's the problem. Wait for a stamina recharge real quick. Let's get out of here. Oh, it never quite fills you up. Where is it? Where is it? Ah, there it is. Spicy tofu can't be planted in the garden, only fed to slimes. Really? Interesting. Is it by chance a favorite of the Sabers? Unknown. But I do know what I have to do. Be stupid and come back. I thought that was a portal home. Oh, I'm an idiot. Sorry. Alright, let's try this again and not be stupid. Shall we? Holy crap, they are aggressive. Ooh, boy. Hey. Friend, see? Okay, so now I know that meat is my best way of saving myself, so I need to get a lot more chickens. Hopefully I can find the portal out of here. Cool, that's just great. Any portal that has to be on, or... Oh my word, that's a lot. Jesus, that scared me. Ow. Okay. Just fly over here again. Oh, please don't run out. Oh, thank God that portal still works. Okay. Not doing that again. Oh. Okay. That was just too close. Okay, I can breathe. I'm alive. I'm happy. Oh! Oh no. Hold on. I'll be right back. Here, guys. Eat some mint mangoes. Well, this was definitely unexpected. I didn't think Ogden had an area. But now that I got some Saber plorts, I gotta mix it up with someone. But the problem is I didn't plan for that. Here, chickens. Come to Papa. Yeah, you guys are okay. Here you go, get. Ow! I deserve that. There we go. These are for you guys. Let's get all the other vegetables and plants picked up. Holy crap, 50 orcas? Or okas? Whoops. Dang, that's almost out of room. I guess these guys got the carrots after all. This is the best bet. Dang it, I did it again. I bought that. I keep rushing when I shouldn't have done that, but oh well. There we go. Thanks, guys. This will be very helpful. Hey guys, got you some more Q berries somehow. Not sure how that happened, but it just does. Okay, now behave, guys. I'm gonna take this call. Oh boy, let's do you. Eating carrots helps me in the dark. I have everything, and I got 18 minutes. Okay, well, 1 second. What do I need? 4 Oka Okas, 1 lemon, 5 heartbeats. Got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 Oka Okas and 1 lemon. And 1 phase lemon. Easiest perk I ever got. Maybe there's not enough roosters in there. Maybe that's why. Oh, wait. Oh, he got old. Dang, he's been there for a while. Where are you? Here, guys. Cute. Alright, I know exactly where I need to go. Now that I think about it, this is probably what they meant by making it more challenging with feral slimes. And now I understand. And now I know that Casey is sending me mail. That was weird. And I know it's weird to think out loud right now, but I did not think Saber Slimes were in this game. This game was updated a long time ago, and I did not remember any of it, or was not here for the updates. Uh-oh. Yeah, I already dealt with you guys, but us Sabers. Saber Slimes. Thought they were new additions with the update in White Bluff in Slime Rancher 2, but nope. They were always new. Not new, shoot. They're always here. Are you serious? I heard a money slime. I didn't have any chickens on me. That stinks. Well, just in case. Next time I hear him. I heard that. Aha! This time I was prepared. Dang. Oh, time to go all the way back. Yes, eat the fruit, so I may obtain your plorts. And I don't think I read that one. Hold on. The ghostly phase lemon trees that you may have seen were all real head scratchers to me for the longest time. I kept dreaming about an ice-cold glass of lemonade on the long summer days I spent exploring these ruins. Delicious stuff. But here's the trick. If you want those lemons, you got to be willing to part with the fruit of your own. Give it a shot. Huh. Interesting. I need 2 more. And let's try that. Eat it. Eat the fruit. Yeah, there you go. Alright, now let's get out of here. Alright, the portal is ready, but we're not going to go to the next video. Because there's something I got to do first. Alright. Wow. Weird. You guys eat meat and fruit. That's good to know. Now, since you guys are now staying here, I won't have to worry about going back up. But now here's the next question. What happens if we give him spicy tofu? Huh. Nothing happens. Interesting. I'm surprised. I thought it would do something, but I guess not. And now, if there's too many phase lemons, I could just bring them down there to them. Which, yes, there is indeed too many phase lemons up here. Let's fix that. Perfect. Now I want to give out the water slimes too. Happy, happy days. Dang, Saber Ploys went down in price, but they're expensive too. And we're going to end it here for the day. Wow, Saber Slimes. Did not think that. I did not write that on my list either. But they get the Quantum Slimes. And the Spicy Tofu, not sure what it does, but I'm about to find out soon enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Your choice, not mine. I'll see you all next time.